3 upwards to 9. That's why you're having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9 there. And so, okay, they did the same thing to set B. And then they said, okay, 5, 7, 9, blind 5, 7, 9, blind the house or paint the house to B with blood. Let's not see it. So what are you going to be seeing if you move, if you cover 5, 7, 9 in the universal set? You're going to be seeing 0, 0 to 4, and then you see 6, and then you will jump 7, and you see 8, and then you jump 9. So you see that's why you're having that B complement there to have those elements. These are common things when you do in exam. I believe all of you should get it, and I want everybody to score an A in mathematics as possible, and I believe you never icons. Okay, intersection of sets. Intersection has to do with anything that like that set A now. Let me see. Okay, I'm going back. Okay, we don't have any intersection here. When we don't have any intersection, it is called is disjoint. Like this set A where we have 0, 1, 2, and then we have 5, 7, 9 here. We don't have anything that is contained, that a particular element that is contained in the both. If you have any element that is contained in the both, that particular element is what is called intersection. But when you don't have any intersection, that particular set can be said they are in disjoint in the sense that like this. Check this diagram by the right hand side, the second diagram at the top by the right hand side. You see A and B are in disjoint because there's nothing to join them together. But when you have an element that is being shared between two elements, two sets rather, then you can say those sets are in intersection together. So I believe you understand what I mean. So okay, we move over to examples. A intersection B. Now you see that A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B having 2, 4, 6, 9. So check among the elements of A and elements of B. What elements can you say are contained in both? So you can find 2 there. Yeah, there are 2 on the left hand and the right hand side. We can also find 4. Yes, correct. And we can also find nothing else. So 2 and 4 are called the intersection. So if you go over here, you see this part where they put what is called is the shaded blue and black. So that's where you're going to put 2 and 4. Then you're going to list every other element on this side A and side B. But between that 2 cycles where the 2 cycles entangle, that's where you call intersection, and that's where you're going to put that 2 and 4. I believe this explains our question. Okay, union of sets. When they talk about union of sets, they just add all the sets together. That will give the union of the sets. So if it's set A and set B, like this particular one, this particular question where they say set A is 0, 1, 2, and set B is 5, 7, 9. So if they say A union B, it's just for you to say 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. That would be the answer. So it's just add every element of it. So I think that explains our cardinality of union sets, all this example solution. Okay, what's other example here? We did this last night where we say 100 open, okay, 100 Miva Open University, Maths 10135, and 52 students, blah, blah, blah. We did this last night. I don't think there's any need for this. Okay, we said, how do you do this? Is there any need for me to solve this again?
Yes.
We did this yesterday now. All right.
Please, some of us were not present yesterday. Can you just help us? Thank you.
Who is speaking, please?
I'm Sarah. I said, can you help us, please? Some of us are not in the class last night.
Is it my captain? Captain Sarah, is it?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay, for the sake of my captain. My regards to you, man. Thank you. All right, give me the question. They say 100 students. 100 students are the people who did whatever in the class. So universal set is 100. And they said, how many people did maths, please? I need that information. How many people did maths? How many people did maths, please?
35.
Huh?
35.
35.
Okay, thank you. Then how many people did physics?
52.
52. Okay, fine. Then okay, now what they're trying to say is okay, now draw the universal set.
What did it say?
This is 100, and then they said inside the 100, you select mathematics. Mathematics has 35, and then you select physics as what 52. And okay, this. So what's the question? What are they asking you now?
Mr. Godspower, there is still another information missing. The people that did both maths and physics. What's the number?
Okay. Did they
Number is
give me?
18. 18, I think.
18. Yeah.
Okay. So intersect is 18. So we go over here. Okay. Now they're saying among there are people that did these two things together and they are 18. So I'm just doing a rough sketch. We'll arrange them. 18 is here. Okay. Now let's make use of what we are doing. So first of all, to get 18 separated from the both physics and math, we have to do something. We say 35 minus 18 because we want to get how many is going to be on the only side of mathematics and how many is, because they said already 18 need both physics, so we are removing them. We also do what we do 52, that of physics minus 18 also. So if we minus that, what will be the answer to this? 35 minus 18 will give us what?
17.
52 minus 18 will give us what?
34.
3. Okay,
Thank
84.
you. Thank you. So now we come over to the main man now, and then okay, now 17, 34. Now if you add plus the 18, what is it going to give us? It's going to give us what?
69.
69. Okay, now see what I'm doing. I want you guys to understand what I'm doing. So if you say 100 minus 69, it's going to give us what? It's going to give us 31. Is it 31? Yes, it's going to give us 31. Now, what I'm trying to do is, okay, now I'll come back to this particular part now. And I will say this, and then I will say this. Now, inside this intercept now, we have 18 persons. Inside the intercept, we have, so both 18 persons are doing both physics and maths. Let me title this. This is set P, set M, set P. So how many persons are left when we remove 18 from set P? We have 34. Okay. How many are left when we remove 18 from set M? We have 17. So how many persons totally are involved in this exercise of math and physics? So add 17, 18, and 24. That gave us what? 69. So for us to know the amount of persons, remember this U was supposed to be equal to 100. They said total number of universal set is 100 students. So now remove the 69 persons that were involved in the exercise. We had 31 remaining. So this is 31. So what's the question 1, please? Question 1 in the text. What's the question, please?
Find the numbers of people that did the maths and physics, which you already did already.
Okay, maths and physics. People who did maths and physics. Maths is equal to what? Equal to 17. And then physics is equal to what? 34. If they say find the both of them, what are the total number? Total number is just 17 plus what? 34, which is equal to what? This will be 1, and then this will be 51, right? Okay, that's good. What's the second question?
How many students registered neither of the courses?
The students that registered neither of the courses are 31 from our universal set. So that becomes the answer of that. So that settles that particular question, right? All right, we move over to summary, and some further reading. Thank you. So, okay, we're done with this. Then we'll go over to real numbers, right? We'll go over to real numbers. Bear with us. I think when it's about to fall from my area, my network was happening. Okay. All right. Talking about real numbers, set of numbers, or learning a set of numbers. Are we together? Can I move on? All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Nobody's talking. Okay, thank you.
Yes, you can go on,
Now,
sir.
I want you to understand. I want you to understand the differences in all these numbers. So, I talk about intercept. The last time I told you intercept. Intercept contains both minus and a positive number, and that is represented by the z in this image. It's represented as z. So, whenever you see z in your mathematics question, you know that z is intercept. And when you see n is natural numbers, and that starts from 1 to infinity. Z is also can be negative infinity or positive infinity. Like here they didn't put positive infinity, but it goes to positive infinity. Then when you have the one they call irrational numbers, and anyone that has fractions, you understand? The one that has fraction are called irrational numbers. Set of uh, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Are they not making mistake? Rational numbers is P over Q. Okay, which is Q, rational numbers. Then irrational numbers are what? Yes, anything I have to do with rational. I think I wrote that down also. Wait, so we need to confirm some of these things too. Because they themselves, they make mistakes too. Rational numbers are, oh, okay, you said rational numbers are, okay, rational are the ones that have 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. So irrational numbers are the one that, no. Hey, voila. Rational number 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over. Okay, I think the rational have to do with the one that has to do with special characters like square root. Okay, yes, square root, pi, and pi. Then we have I. You know that I also is a special character for complex numbers. Then we also have which other one? Which other one? We have position ratio. That G. Also G also. The acceleration due to gravity. All those ones are what they call rational numbers. So I think we are getting going to this and this again. Two we're going to this and this also x. So LCM is x times s times two. S times two, which is equal to 2x. So this becomes your base for what they call for division. So you say 2x now divided by x. So if you cancel this, so 2 will go into 2, then you say 2 multiplied by this 2, which will give you 4 here. So that's just all we are doing. I believe everybody understands that. So that's elementary now. You've been doing your child what they call mathematics. So this one is elementary, as they call it, so basic. So this one is 2 times 2. It's supposed to give us 4. Then this is also 2 go into this. It's going to cancel 2 going to this. 2 will cancel. Then x will remain. X times 3 is going to give us minus 3x. So and equal to what? 7 all over what? 3x. So if you go further, what we have here is okay. I think we are done with this. What you need to do is do what they call cross multiplication. Where the numerator goes to the multiplies the denominator, and the denominator multiplies the numerator, just as we have. So we have 3x bracket 4 minus 3x, and then we have equal to 2x multiplied by 7. And so this is going to give us 3 times 4 is going to give us 12x, minus 3 times this is going to give us 9x. 9x squared, right? Yes, that should be 9x squared. Then this is going to give us 7 times 2 is going to give us what? 7 times 2 is going to give us 14x. So wahala. Ah, yeah. Who is giving me back my voice? I'm enjoying it. Thank you so much. How my voice looks so childish anyway. Thank you so much. I believe it's not childish at your end. I'm just enjoying the class anyway. This is so by arrangement. This is going to be. Let's move this man. Let's move this man over to this side where the brother is. So, oh, so this is going to be 12x. Are you sure we are not lost? Are you sure we are not lost? Equal to okay, I'm not moving it again. I'm not moving it. I'm moving 14 to the other side. And I'm moving it because I want this to be positive. So this is going to give us minus.
There's a mistake somewhere. The mistake. We have made mistake along the step.
Along the step, right? So this is going to be
Yeah,
There's a mistake
9x
somewhere.
squared plus
Without
3x
four
equals
minus 4 minus 3x. It's not 7. Is it 7?
4 minus what?
4 minus 3x is equal to 7.
because the question should have
No,
not been more
just
than
multiply
4
now.
steps.
Minus 3x is equal to 7.
No, just multiply now.
No, before the cross multiply. Before the cross multiply.
Mr. James, you can log out and log back in again. Let's see whether your
You can log out and log back in again. Let's see whether your
Okay, is my mic echoing?
this echo.
Yeah, it's bouncing back.
Yeah, it's bouncing back.
Okay, thank you. I believe everybody understands. We are correct now. Well, I saw they give us a question for us to solve. Just think about it. This is supposed to be the answer anyway. 9x squared plus 2x. Math is stupid. So just take stupidity sometimes the way it is. So when you have things like this, you can even say x is as a common this thing here. Then you come back here and say this is 9x plus 2. And and it goes. And this becomes the answer. So that's it. We are done. You are
Mr.
expecting any
Godspower,
special calculation?
Mr.
Yes.
Godspower, how did you get plus 14x?
Plus 14x
12x
is
plus. Okay, is it minus 14? Okay.
Are you saying where the 14 came from?
Okay, it's minus. Okay, sorry. I thought it was plus.
All right. Thank you. So we go. Can we go? So we have solved. You say I should solve. We solved them. We have solved. We have solved.
Thanks.
Okay. They say example solving rational equations. Solve these. So they know that it's rational. That's why they made it. That's why it's like that. So don't bother yourself too much about it. Or do you know that this thing? If I say this one now, I will confuse you guys, but I don't want to put it. You can transfer this thing, and then you will think, okay, let me also make it this way. See magic now. Mathematics sometimes is like that. Let's try this pattern. So where we have 2 all over x, we bring 7 here to be minus 7 all over x. And then this will be positive 3 over 2. So if you check this very well now, this is going to be what? X. Wait, is it 7 over x or 7x? Okay, 7 all over 3x. So this is going to be what? All over 3x. And then this will be 2 minus 6. This will be 6 minus. Then this is going to be 7. And this is equal to what? 3 all over 2. And this is 6 minus 6 is minus 1. Wait, I'm trying to do something now. Let's see whether it works. Okay. So we also have minus, I think, minus 1 over 3x. Minus 1 all over 3x is equal to what? Is equal to 3 all over 2. Is equal to 3 all over 2. So this now, if you multiply this by this, is going to be, this is going to be 9x is equal to minus 2. So, so if you check this, this is over 9, this is over 9. So x here, you see s is equal to what? Minus 2 over 9. S is equal to minus 2 all over 9. Alright. See, this is giving us another answer. Okay.
That is our strength.
I'll Close though. Remove. What I know is they don't move fractions. They don't move fractions to the other side of the equation. You get. So if I say let me move fraction 2 over x or to the other side of the equation, then I think I'll be making a big mistake. That's why whenever you have minus and plus, then nothing separates them. You have to treat them the way you ought to treat them. So that second question that I just saw is wrong, very wrong. It's a wrong way of having, it's a wrong approach to mathematics, because once something is added or being subtracted from a number, you can't transfer it to the other side of the equation. So I believe they were standing alone, and we say okay, let's transfer. But now they're already combined, they are married. And anything that comes in between, you know, the Bible said anybody that wants to put asunder, even him, you asunder, they asunder. So thank you so much.
Mr. Gospel, you are correct now. S is equals to what was the answer you get the other time? Hello guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, so can hear you.
Oh, we can't hear Mr. Gospel.
Alright. I think he's solving it. So I just solve it now. Say x is equals to minus 2 over 9.
Yeah.
X equals to, so it definitely is correct. Or what was his own answer then? Class. What was the answer
But
then?
the same. Minus 2 over 9.
Yeah, that means it's correct. Àbí tó bá tún fẹ́ yí wa lórí nǹkan lókun.
Me, I'm lost. Since
Yeah, better find yourself. Oh. I'm here. I find you
Ah.
already.
I'm trying.
Ah.
Yeah. Because there's no way you will still cross it to the other side. There's no way you will still cross that fraction back to the other side. So if you cross it to the other side, it will still give you the answer. No way.
But he is saying that mathematically it's wrong to cross it to the other side.
You know, my he's the math teacher that says so. Hmm?
Mr. James,
Hmm? How about
do we have class this night by
yes?
11?
No, no.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Still
So
on
we have
maths.
class 8 o'clock.
Is it
Has
on
it?
maths?
Yes,
8
math.
o'clock.
Yes.
8
I thought we
o'clock.
said 9.
Okay, 9 o'clock. Sorry,
9 to 12. Yes.
9 to 12.
Okay.
I can't see
Okay.
the screen anymore. Is it? Has it finished serving? Ah, Mr. Gospel, don't go.
Sharing. Stop sharing. Stop sharing the screen, I guess. Stop the screen.
I
I was
guess it's
thinking, I
12.
was thinking you should have added that 3 over 2 in both
Look at
sides.
that. Those when
I think it should be within the class. It should be his network. It's not in the class. It's not in the class. I believe let's wait for him. Let him join.
Miss Blessing, you're saying that you should have added 3/2 to both sides.
Yes. Yes.
How?
That's
You know that after solving for that 2 over x minus 7/3x, the answer is minus 1/3x, which is equal to 3/2. So I think the best bet there is to cross multiply. So how is it supposed to add 3/2 to both sides? Can you explain, please?
Here we have that 2. We have 2 divided by x minus 3/2, which is equal to 7/3x. So I think it should have been 2 divided by x minus 3/2 plus 3/2. Then you add it also to the other side, like adding 3/2 to both sides to eliminate the one at the one after to eliminate one of the 3/2.
It's like you're getting the question. Like you're getting the question wrongly. It's 2/x minus 7/3x. It is equals to 3/2.
Yes.
Okay. Please start again. I didn't get you.
I said yes. 2/x minus 3/2 plus 3/2, which is equal to 7/3x plus 3/2. Do you get me?
I'm confused. So did you move that equal to 3/2? Did you move it to the other side to give
No,
you?
you can also cross multiply with the equal to being there now.
You can cross because the cross multiply method that I use, and I got my answer as minus 2/9.
Sometimes
There are many ways to play that.
Math is not English. So anybody that is saying all these equations should help us share his or her screen. Let's see what you are saying. Math is not English, I beg.
When I said I'm lost now, you guys are laughing.
Then I carry paracetamol for back tomorrow.
Want to know how we did it? Yeah, Madam Sarah, share your screen.
Wait, Mr. James, I'm writing on my book.
No problem. You use your camera while you show us your book. Let's see the way you get your own.
Okay, let me see. I don't know how to.
Who was that brother that said he done lost? His name, please.
Billy. Okay.
Billy, okay. With your eye even.
So how do I on my camera, Mr. James?
You look at go to the call there. You see a place where you have up there something like arrows turned there. So you go there, you just press the arrow to shift your camera to back on.
Mr. James, you are too fast. Be going anyway. Just gently. You said to go to where? I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay, go up there where you can see the name of is it the name of this Google Meet we are now? You see it up there. You see 2 arrows like circle. You should have done that before. Okay, come back to the video, to your video down there.
I'll stop sharing.
No, don't stop sharing. Go to the video down there. Go to the video.
You say you can't use your camera while sharing your screen.
Hold on. Okay, stop sharing now. Rihanna, go to the video. Okay, Anna, switch it to back of your phone so we can pin it. Everybody can pin it that way.
I should do what?
Switch it to the back, to your back camera. So you go up there, there's an arrow up there.
Okay.
Then you click on it to switch to the back one. Here, now we can see it. So everybody can pin your screen now. So yeah.
Okay, I think the question, the way Mr. Godspower solved it, it was 2/x minus 7/3 equals to 3/2.
Your hand up a little bit. Your hand up a little. Your hand is okay like that.
You are too fast. So you are too fast.
It's okay like that. Don't
The
shake.
question, okay. The
When you have to
question.
give people injection in the hospital, you know your hand doesn't shake like that.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
So the question was 2 over x minus 7 over 3x, which is equal to 3 over 2. So he looked for the LCM of x and 3x, which happened to be 3x. Can you see it?
Not seeing it too.
Yes. You can
Okay.
see.
So now 3x 3x times 3.
We give you
Then
what?
but you've already moved the 7 over 3s to the other side. It was on the other side before now.
No.
That means I got the
Is that not the
question wrong.
question?
Yes, that is the question. The 7 over 3x is on the other side.
It's on the other side, so you already
And
moved
that means
it,
I
right?
got it wrongly. Then that means bless now. Yeah, let's hear your own this thing. That means I got the
Yeah,
question
you
wrong.
didn't get
No,
it.
No, you are
do
not
it like
wrong. You are
this.
not
You will
wrong
still
on this.
arrive at the answer. Solve it now. Start solving
Because
it
that 3
now.
over 2 doesn't have x. That is why.
Sarah,
That
can
is
you
the reason
solve
why
it
you
now?
moved it to the
Can you start
left hand
solving
side.
it
Can you
now?
start solving it?
Start solving it
Collect
now.
like times two. Okay, let's say 2 over x
Yeah. 2
minus
over
7. 2 over x minus 7 over 3x.
and Miva book they do shit on paper.
What to do now? I
Are you
don't get
getting
any
it?
other book. Yeah, me, I'm with you. Okay.
2 over x minus 7 over 3x.
Minus 7 over 3x. Okay.
Yes, which is equal to 3 over 2.
Okay.
So,
No, that's not the question. No.
no, now we are solving it. I'm
We are
not coming to
collecting like terms now,
No,
but
Yes.
mathematically, you can't move a fraction to the other
You
side.
can't
That's
move
what-
it. You
Just
can't move
That's
it.
what Godspower said too.
Yeah.
You can't move it now.
You can't-
You can only
you can't
cross
move
multiply. You cannot
the way
move it.
the way you take care of the first one before they equal to first before you go to the next before you go to the 7 over
can
2.
we get the original question first? Can we get the original question?
2 all over x minus 3
When I listen to to his
2 all
lecture,
over x
Okay.
minus 3 all over 2
Okay.
is equal to 7 all over 3x.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now in this case, now we're going to I think in this case now you're going to look for the LCM of 2 and x, which is and then multiplied by both sides. So which is the same thing as 2 and x. So I don't know how to explain this thing.
LCM of
But
2 and x will be 2x now.
Yeah, that is true.
no, not 2x.
No.
Not 2x. It's 2 and x.
2.
So now for the first guy, you multiply x all over x times 2 all over x minus 2 all over 2
2x.
times 3. Oh, hold on.
No, see, if we're
very
finding the
sure I'm still here.
LCM, if the LCM is 2, if the LCM is 2, I think then to be 2 times x, which is 2x divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 will be x.
Exactly.
Abi?
Then minus. Yes.
Minus
Then minus.
2 times 2, 4.
Divided x by 2.
You multiply the
By the
denominator
LCM.
and then divide now.
So that would be 2. Then 2 times 2, that is 4.
Uh-huh.
All over 2.
Then 4
4
divided by
minus
3. Sorry, 4 minus
X
3. Abi?
minus all
But
over
this is the same with
x.
Mr. Godspower.
Wow.
Mm.
Let's wait for Mr. Godspower Biko.
But Mr. Godspower,
Math will
that
be
was
your
how
goal.
My head on the turn.
that was how the lecturer did the
Majority are lost with me now.
he
Thank
moved
God.
it to the other side. First of all, he divided it by 3 over 2. Then later on, now moved to I have to go and watch it now again. Then I was trying to. So he moved.
Sarah.
These two.
Sarah. Yes.
Then this cancels
Hello,
that.
Sarah.
Who's calling my name? Yes.
Minus
I would have. I know
6.
when you are using LCM, since the questions are together, we cannot solve the left hand side with the LCM and let us join the one that on the right hand side after the equal to and join them together. It will not work. So what I'm thinking is the LCM should be 6x. Then we'll use the LCM to divide both sides. I think we'll get the answer.
Ma'am, the way the lecture from this is that you are going to multiply through by plus 3 over 2 for the
Sorry,
first
please, can
side.
someone
Then
kindly
the
call
other
out the
side,
question again so I'll
3
solve
over
it and so I will get over this.
the
Someone is
question
talking.
is
Is
2 over
Okay, man. Okay, man.
Again,
The, the
can someone
question
kindly
is
call out the question again so I'll solve it and we
2
move
okay,
on.
over
man.
x.
Okay, man. The question is
Um,
2 all over
The
x
question is 2 over x.
minus
B
3 all over
so what
2
is that?
minus
We
is
two.
equals
we
to
we
7
we for
all
we
over
One
divide.
x.
person, I'm hearing multiple voices. One person, please.
2 over x minus 3 over 2
This is the
is,
question, right?
is equals to 7 over 3x.
There are two ways to go about this. You
Can I
can
end my
either
camera now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sure you can. Yes, got it.
There are two ways to go about this now. You can either collect the like terms or just go straight into it by finding the LCM of x and 2. I'm going to find the LCM of x and 2 now.
Madam Sarah, the LCM you are going to use is to find x and 2. So you are going to find x, then you are going to find 2. That's how you are going to arrive at the answer. So
This,
now you on your camera back. We are going
Somebody,
to.
Mr. James, somebody is sharing her screen already. Madam Mona Chimsto is sharing her screen already.
Okay.
The best thing to do is to collect like terms.
the best thing to is to collect like terms, but again, math is dynamic. There are different ways to solve mathematics. I'm
Madam
going to
Munachi, can you remove the call logo so we can see what you are solving?
you know
Okay, now find the LCM of x.
the LCM of 2 and x here is 2x.
Sometimes LCM should be 2x instead of
Yes,
just 2.
yes. So now you're going to ask yourself, what did this x multiply to become 2x? X got multiplied by 2. That 2 now you're going to multiply with these 2 up here. 2 times 2 is 4. Then what did this 2 here get multiplied by to become 2x? It got multiplied by x. So you're going to multiply this minus 3 now by x. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x, right? Seven over 3x. Here now, you can go straight into cross multiplying. When you cross multiply, you're going to have 3x into 4 minus 3x and 7 into 2x.
There is a founding information on that. When people can calculate,
Mr. Equerin, can you please mute your mic? Thank you.
We've understood up until this point, right?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Madam Mona
Continue.
Chimsto. Yes.
So 3x times 4 is 12x.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
3x times 3x times minus 3x is
Minus 9x.
9x
Minus
squared.
9x squared.
Please forgive, which is equal to 14x.
X.
So now what we have here is going to be looking somehow quadratic, but let's put it in. Minus 9x squared plus 12x Bringing this 14x to this side, we are going to have minus 14x is equal to 0. So if we multiply both sides by minus 1, multiplying both sides by minus 1, here will still be equal to 0. But here will now be 9x squared minus 12 plus 14x. So we have 9x squared is equal 9x squared plus 2x, right? Plus 2x is equal to 0. Normally now you're meant to plug this into
Sorry, you said 9x squared plus 2x. 2 or 12?
is equal to 0. What?
Okay, so after your... Okay, don't worry, I've gotten it.
Normally now you're meant to plug this into the
Quadratic
almighty
formula.
Yeah, that A is equal to 9. Sorry. A is equal to 9. B is equal to 2. And C is equal to 0.
Sorry,
Please, can someone
how do you have the 2? Oh, okay.
minus 12x
Plus
plus
14.
14x. Please, can someone tell me the almighty formula? I can only remember minus B
B
plus
It
or
is
minus
minus B
square root
plus or
of
minus square root of
A
B
squared
squared minus
square.
4AC.
Square minus 4AC over 2A.
Is this it?
Yep.
Yeah.
B squared minus
No,
4
B
AC.
squared minus
B squared minus 4
4AC.
AC.
B square minus 4AC.
Oh, thank you. Plus or minus 4AC. So now we know our A is 9, our B is 2, and C is 0. So plugging that into the almighty formula, the square of 2
Wait,
is
this equation is not correct. This equation is not correct.
this
It's
equation.
correct.
It's
not correct.
It's not correct.
Square.
It's not correct.
the almighty formula
Minus
is
B
A
plus or
plus
minus square root of
minus
B
B
squared.
plus minus B square minus 4AC over 2A.
2A, yes.
So this is not correct.
What is the correct one?
It
The
is minus
X
B plus or minus square
X
root of B
equals to
squared.
minus B plus square root of B square minus 4AC all over 2A.
Minus B minus
That's
B
wrong.
plus or minus
Minus
A.
B plus or
That's
minus.
wrong. That's not the almighty formula.
But thank you, everybody. Sorry, I was disconnected out. Ooh. Queen Elizabeth,
Minus
thank God
B
you're coming.
or
Plus or
minus
minus.
the square root of
B square,
B
no.
Oh,
B square
minus
Square
4A.
minus
Square
4A.
minus 4AC
Yeah.
over.
This
Correct.
is it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we know our B is 2. So let me just plug in the formula. Minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4, or let me just say 2 square minus
4 brackets.
times our A is 9 and our C
Yes.
is 0.
Yeah.
9
take your
times
seat from.
in exam hall now. Oh, like the normal formula is meant to be AX square plus BX plus C. This one now, you can see that there's no C here. So we assume that C is equal to 0. Do you understand?
Yes.
You don't assume.
Okay. In example now, normally we have seen this times 0. So all of this
Hello,
is
ma.
automatic.
You don't assume.
What?
You don't assume.
Who said? I don't understand.
Mr. Godspower.
You don't assume.
You have seen 0 here. So automatically, this entire thing is 0. Like 0.
What he's trying to
There's
say
no.
is you don't have C.
He's talking about
He
the
said
C part.
yes, that we should assume our C is 0.
So now Mr. Godspower is saying that you can't
You
assume
cannot
C
assume.
since there is no C.
There
Like
is no
since there is
C,
no
you can't
zeros written
assume.
in the formula.
Wait, so what is the C?
I think this formula would not work for this solution or for
Don't
this
assume
thing you're
C is
doing.
0. C is
So
0.
you have to
Don't
use it.
assume. Just say C is 0. Don't assume.
Where is the C? That's the thing. Where is the C in the equation?
1 is the same thing as 1 plus 0.
Now, what you use? Well, this makes use of a different formula, not the quadratic formula. This makes use of the formula called is it square root property formula? Square root property.
I don't know.
Anyway,
I don't know.
so we're plugging in our values all over 2a, all over 2a. That's 2 times 9. So this is now going to be equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 all over 18, which is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 over 18, which is equal to 2 plus 2 over 18 or 2 minus 2 over 18, which is equal to 4 over 18 or 0 over 18. 4 over 18 cancel up is 2 over 9. I don't think this is inconclusive, I think.
That's 0.
So I
That's 0.
don't. I
Have you seen what
wanted
I
to
said
0 over
again?
0.
hello,
Okay.
madam.
So
Simona Tiso. Madam, I'm here now, and I'm telling you, this cannot go. You still continue. So fire
No,
down.
it works. It works. Actually,
Yeah,
it's
have you seen
correct.
what I said?
It works.
It's correct.
It works. It's correct. I
It
guess so.
does not
wait,
That does
work.
not, Mr. Godspower.
if
It does not work. There's a rule. There's a rule that
That's
says
fine.
if 4AC is equal to
This
0,
does not work.
it does
The,
not
the
work. It
answers
does not work.
are not correct.
Mr. Godspower, since you're back, I
oh,
think you should just share your screen and just stop the equation for us, please.
this is going to be equal to 0. So
Mona Tiso is
if
not
2
ready for us
over
to speak again. Let her continue.
this is what so this is what we get as x. X is either 2 over 9 or 0. To confirm, minus 2 over 9. Sorry, I forgot. When we equate 0, like 2 over 9 is equal to, Um,
No, from your root 4, right? From your root 4, it is plus or minus 2. So it is 2 plus minus 2 or 2 minus 2.
See, there's -2 in front of your 2. -2 is in front of your 2 because you said -2 plus or minus 2.
thank you,
Yeah,
thank you,
exactly.
thank you.
So your answer is actually
Why
correct.
not?
Your answer is correct. -2/9.
Yeah, thank you. So for the people that were saying that is what's going to work, I don't see any doubts.
Sorry, we have swallowed our doubts. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad to have helped.
Can you? Hey, I did not get that.
Oh, let me
Should have referred to screen.
share it again.
Please, I can't see the upper side properly, please. Thank you.
Please, what kind of calculator did you use to calculate this and then you got the answer?
To confirm.
Yeah.
Oh, is this app called Photomat?
Photomat.
Yeah, Photomat.
Okay, Photomat. Okay.
But it's not a
But was it not the
subscription.
same? Was it not the same answer we got in the first place? And this one is a longer method of solving this question. Because in exam hall, we'll not have all the time to follow this method. If it was the same -2/9
Because
we got
when
in
me
the
and
first
you that
place,
we crossed
That
over,
the
was
other
I
what
one
still
is
got
valid.
-2/9.
Madam Sarah. That's
The
why I
other one is
kept
still
quiet.
valid. Sir, Mr.
Madam
James, what
Sarah,
did
that's
you say?
why I kept quiet that time. You
Hey,
you already find the LCM then. In the exam, if you use this kind of minutes, you are
you
trying
go
to
waste
solve one
time,
It's
question.
oh.
still the same answer, -2/9.
It's still the
And
same answer, minus two over
Yes,
nine.
now.
I
Madam Muna,
would
so we
I would
appreciate
like
the
us
step. So
to
you
give
are
Mr.
correct.
Godspower
But
the floor to explain
Oh,
what
oh,
the
hold on, Mister. What I'm trying to say is that mathematics it has a complex way of people have to solve it. You understand? The way Madam Sarah also said she bring that 7/3x into the middle and take 3 minus 3/2. We read you. We read you.
Mr. John, please mute your mic. Mr. John, please mute your mic.
We've heard you. We've heard you. You are correct. So when you see what she solved there, I told her that even though you still solve it that way, it's still supposed to give you the same answer because both of it has minus. And the way she inverse the question, the way she inverse it, bring in the elements, she will still arrive at that because that was the same thing I used. It gave me that. But when you guys want to go to this route, but let's get time out the watch, maybe my answer will be wrong. But we still arrive the same answer. That means that we can use that shorter method so that shorter method in exam to arrive at the answer so that we can move to the next one instead of spending more minutes on one questions.
Exactly. So, Madam Muna, so we appreciate the method. Actually, theoretically, if we are to solve theory, this is how we're supposed to go through it. But being that it's OBJ, man, the fastest route, so as long as the answer is the same thing. So, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Mr.
Mr.
James, please,
Godspower.
can you share your own workings? Hello, Mr. James.
It's Mr. Godspower.
Mr. Godspower.
I think I left the class. So
Well, please, can you send the shorter what is true?
Please, let's move to another more week now.
I was done because I came
Mr.
in the middle of
Godspower, oh
something.
yeah.
I came
so,
in the middle of
okay,
something. I need
okay,
people
okay,
that shut
Mr.
it down, then I will know when to start. Because I
Mr.
cannot just
Continue.
Please.
Because
Yesterday we did just 2 weeks. Same thing today.
I'm very happy that a lot of mathematicians are here. So let's help ourselves. And Alamin, you have to meet with my then we start. Um, all right, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for your patience. I told you that the rain was about starting in my area, and it was very heavy. So I think that's why I was disconnected from all of you. So sorry for whatever happened. Um, if you don't mind, I would like to.
Mr. Godspower, for that ring, congratulations for your side, I beg.
Okay, I should be coming. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to access my screen so I can share. So I can share my screen. Yeah, something is happening there in my phone. So you're done with week 2, right?
Yes.
Can I see my screen? I can see my screen.
Yes, yes, we can see your screen.
yes.
We've done operations on real number. Somebody's mic is still on. Is it still alarming or something? I don't know
So let
how.
me count this up, oh, Mr. Godspower. Madam
Oh,
Queen. Madam Queen, the hand is up. Hand have been up.
I'm just.
Yes, my hand is up because I don't know. Maybe it's because I joined late or something. I don't understand everything. I'm totally lost. That's why I'm raising my hand up.
Thank God you are found. We'll start from somewhere. So start from here now. Forget every other thing you've lost. Start from here. Start finding something here now. So we start with week 2. Okay, we've done operations of real numbers, absolute value and linear inequalities. Have you done that? When our meeting is slated to start by 3, then if you come late and then you don't get it, you will not believe anybody, madam. Because by the time we start going back and forth, we are not going to do anything. Somebody's
The
mic is
class
still
is
on.
recorded, so you can find it on YouTube.
Thank God. So as it stands, we are going to finish this thing whether we like it or not today. We'll get to week 9. I think they said it's week 9 that we should stop. Okay, learning objectives, real line numbers, anything that is by the right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. Nothing to describe here. Transitivity, this, that, and that, and that, and this. Absolute value equations, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this was what we solved last time. That was last night. And we said, what's the answer of this? Once a value have, once a value have in an absolute value, you have two answers, and we were trying to do that last time, and then we said the first equation is going to be 2x minus 5 equal to 3. Let you transfer 5 to the other side, and then the answer is going to be 8. First one is going to be positive 4, and then the second question you have to change the sign behind the 3 and make it minus. Here you're going to have 2s minus 5 equal to minus 3. So if you transfer minus 5 to the other side, we're going to have minus 3 plus 5, which is going to give us 2, and 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have answers such as 4 and 2, and then 4 and 1 rather. X is equal to 4 and 1. So you see that we presented that. I think that's where we stopped yesterday, presenting that on the number line. So we are done with this other part. This other question was the same. Somebody's mic is still on and is disturbing the whole of us. Please, today we is well. Okay, all these are the same. All these are the same. Summary, and all that. Okay.
Mr. Godspower, you skipped something. Please go back to like 3 slides from now. I want to say something about that. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so the negative sign, because I know sometimes Miva is a very crazy institution. They can ask us very stupid questions. Actually, this particular one has no solution because absolute values don't have negative. So an absolute value cannot be equal to minus 2. So in this kind of case, there is no solution to this question. So I just wanted to bring that to our notice.
Absolute value
Can you explain again?
Okay.
I said that absolute values themselves don't have negative values. So this solution itself has no solution, because if you say absolute value of 3, the absolute value of 3 is 3, right? The absolute value of minus 3 is 3, but you can't say the absolute value of 3 is minus 3. So absolute values themselves cannot result to a negative number. So therefore, the value of x is not, like, it's undefined. We don't know. It's unsolvable because absolute values don't have negative value. They can't result to a negative value.
I think what you wanted to say is, even if they give you a negative value, it is still seen as positive. Because even when they give you absolute value of minus 3, it will still be equal to 3. But if you say it cannot be, well, I don't know the English language. Me, I don't like English. So all those things they were saying is English language. If you solve this too, if it gives you correct answer, if it doesn't give you, give them what they want. Okay. No, not this one. No, I'm not gonna. Demonstrating the properties. This, that. Okay. We tried solving this also last time. Somebody was trying to give us an example that once you're dividing both sides by a negative sign, then the sign of the what they call the greater than is going to change. You don't need to be solving all this. Going to be 12 plus 5, that's 18. Divide both sides by 3. That's so you can see that minus 3 is going to cost is greater than to change to less than, because you're dividing both sides. So x is going to be less than what? 3 divided by 18 will be what? 6. So s is going to be what? Minus 6. Alright, this is demonstrating the properties, blah blah blah. It's just the same pattern. This 2x minus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 3 all over 2. So what you have to do here is to just transfer that minus 5 to the left hand side, transfer 1 to the other side. So if you check that answer, it's still going to give you, this is going to give you plus 3. Okay, plus 3x greater than or equal to 3 plus 2, 3 minus 2. And 3 minus 2 is going to give you 1 all over 2. So 1 all over 2 is, so if you check that minus 3 divided by 1 over 2 divided by minus 3, the answer
Mr.
of
Gospel,
this
can
is
you
going to
please
give
solve
you
it, please?
Mr. Joel, I just solved that thing now. So the answer is 0, which means it's actually correct. There's no solution. The x cannot be 0. So it's actually correct.
Thank
So
you.
there's no solution to that question.
So anyone you see equal to minus 2, like this particular question, absolute value cannot be equal to minus 2. Cannot be equal to minus. Okay. I think that was the correction. Thank you. When we learn together like this, we make a great team and a single head. You say I should solve this question. Is it too much a big deal? Everybody can solve that, right?
Yeah, but I think we solved it yesterday.
No. Solve it, oh. Solve it.
We solved it yesterday now.
Which particular one? This one, ba?
We didn't solve it.
Everybody should
solved it
solve it
yesterday
and let's leave the answer. Mr. Godspower, don't solve it. Everybody should solve it.
Mr. Gospel, we got X
No,
less than 1
Mr.
over
Boy, don't say
That's
the
what we
answer.
got.
Don't say the answer.
No, we
Let
already solved
everybody.
it yesterday now. That's why I was
the
like,
end of semester
Mr.
assignment.
James, you know we don't really have much time. You know that.
James now.
Get
Two
into
of us
it.
need to access today. Mr. Gospel,
Yeah,
please solve it. Let's see how to do it.
Give me the question, please. Mr. Joel is here. Boss, hello. Please give me the question, please. Mr. Mohammed, I greet you. I saw those results too. My regards.
Please, so the question is not on the screen.
I want to take down the question, please. Nobody is on the question aspect. Hey,
Minus
Okay. This is the one we solved yesterday that we got x is equal
less
to
than
less
equals to
than
1 over 6.
yeah less
know that
than
we
equal
solved it
to 1 over 6. Yes, we solved it now, but I said that you were here now.
And
so
we
we
even
move.
did it for the end of semester.
Okay, we move.
Thanks, bro.
We move, huh? All right,
Yeah, please move.
move. Okay, look at me now. Now everybody they talk.
Yes, we have solved it already.
Okay, this one too will solve, right?
But
Okay,
this girl will
somebody.
stop.
Okay, we should solve this last one too.
Yeah, we can solve this last one for this.
Yes,
Alright, for the sake of others, somebody please take down this and then give me your mics are giving me feedback. So thank you. Alright. Somebody has taken the question just now and then call the numbers, the question for me, please. Who is talking?
The answer is 3 minus 7 over
7x.
7x over 2 greater than or equal to 12.
Is that all?
Yes.
Alright, we know this to be exactly this over 1 minus 7x all over 2 greater than or equal to 12. This will now be 2 all over. This 2 divided by 1 is 1 is 2 times 3 is going to give us 6 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 7 is 7x. And then we have greater than or equal to 12. This is also over 1 if we do cross multiplication here. This is now going to be 6 minus 7x times 1 is still the same thing. Greater than or equal to 12 times 2, which is equal to what? 12 times 2 is equal to 22. 24 rather. So you're going to have 24 here. So if you do that, transfer this 6 to this side, you have minus 7x greater than or equal to 24 minus what? 6. You do minus 6,
That's
this will give us
18.
18, right? 18. So we have minus 7x greater than or equal to 18. And then this is all over minus 7. Since we're dividing both sides by minus, you will know that the sign is going to change to greater than or equal to minus all over 7. Or 7 going to this is something like 2 times that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24. All over what? 7. So these are the answers. So okay, can we move over?
What did you get? Hold on, no. What did you get?
18 over
2
7 or 2 over
minus
4 over
18 L over 7 or 2 over 2 number 4 over 7. Yeah, can one.
Yes.
That's still 2 whole number 4 over
Yeah,
7.
Godspower, you're not
Same as
done.
30 over 7.
Me, I got
Okay.
18 over minus 18 over 7 or 30 over 7.
Exactly, I got the same thing too, James.
That's correct. So this is one part of it, remember. So this is one part of so the second part is for us to, somebody just write this answer somewhere. Just write the answer somewhere. So 18 over
Okay,
7.
now I
So,
understand.
so we take the second part of this. Second part is, we're done with that first one. Second part is to change the cardinal, to change the absolute value to negative. So this greater than or equal to negative 12. And then this is also over 1. So if you take this is 2 all over what? 6 minus what? This is to give you 7x greater than or equal to minus 12 all over 1 cross multiply. This is going to give us 6 minus 7x greater than or equal to minus 12 times 2 is the same thing as minus 24. So if you do that, you can plug 6 to this side, and this will be minus 7x greater than or equal to minus 24 minus what? 6, and that is going to give us minus 7x greater than or equal to minus 24 and 6 is what? Minus 30, right?
Minus 30, yes.
Okay, so that's minus 7, okay, minus 7. So this and this, x is less than, oh my god.
Mr. Carl, please mute your mic.
Alcohol, alcohol.
30 positive than equal to
Because you dey solve maths,
so,
you dey drink alcohol.
so, so this is 7 divided by 30. Now you get time to go stress yourself. No, all this one. This is how many times 7 goes into 30? We have 24, which is 24.
You can leave it like this.
4.
You can leave it like this now.
Like this, or we'll put it in the 4 number 3 all over 7. Yeah, no, Miva can be not crazy as my brother said, but very very intelligent too. Sometimes they will not give you 30 over, they will bring this particular one. So by the time you start looking at 30 over 7, you don't see you become. So you see those two values, they can either bring 7 go
This 2
into
over 7, 4 number 2 over 7.
Not 3.
Yeah, 4 number 2 over 7.
Who they tell me answer before? So
7
times 7 times 28.
4 times 7 is 28.
7 times 4 is 28. So
We understand. Thank you for that. So x can either be the other one, which is 18 over 7, or it can be this one. Then they can put this thing in. That's why I brought it to this pattern. You can put this in a number line now and then confuse it. Remember, this is 4, so they can start from 4 here, 4 over 2, and then what's the other one? 18 was it
minus
18 over 7?
Minus 18 over 2 or something.
Minus over 7 or over 2?
18 over
7.
7.
7 going to 18 is giving us a 2 times 4 over. So this one is minus. So this will be minus 2 times 4 all over what? 4 over what? Minus 4 over 7. This is 4, 2 over 7. So this is how you can be able to place these things now. This is the minus, this is the positive side. So I say x is within, s is less than or equal to. So s is like this. So you see, you shade this part. This is less than or equal to. You shade it very well. You shade it thick, and it's going towards this side because it says less than or equal to. Less than, so it's less than. So you're going backwards. Then the other one was it greater than or equal to? Greater than or less than? The 18 all over 7, please. Mr. James.
Yeah? What did you say? Sorry.
The first value of s is what?
Is
less than or equal to.
No, I just got minus 8 over 7. Nothing like less than.
Who took our sign down? Nobody.
That Godspower is
The
less
first
than. It's
one was
actually
less
less than.
than.
The first one,
Was
both
less
of them is
than.
less than.
Both
The
of them
second one
is
too is
less
less
than.
than.
Okay, so our this other one too. This other S is going this way, and it's in a tick. Why am I shading this? Because it's less than or equal to. I think it's just less than. I will leave it open. So these are the. So these are the. This is going to infinity, and this is also going to infinity. So anyhow they represent these things now, you should not get confused. They can say, I believe you understand all these things. They can say S
That
is
Godspower, I
equal
have
to
something to say,
30.
sir.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, so actually, I think the question gives us an absolute value, but I think that's how the question came.
Yeah, the absolute value of
Yeah,
this.
so if it's an absolute value, our answers should just be two. It should not be in a range. It should be just two values. It should just be two values. Wait, please, sorry, sir. Please, sir, go. I want to see the question properly, sir. Just. Oh, okay. Fine. It's fine.
This always give us two answers. Alright, so it can be 30 over 7 and somebody trying to
Minus
sound
18
me.
over 7.
So it can either be these two and then 18 over 7 minus 18 over 7 and negative infinity. So anyhow you see the answer, just know what they're trying to say. If
Nice.
my voice
That's
is only echoing to me,
So, sorry, sir, right? That bracket equation, we have two brackets. We have the round bracket and the square bracket.
use the
Can you
square
answer?
bracket, please. Yeah.
Because you use the round bracket in what you did now. That was what I was thinking you.
Abego, it's an error. Abego, me I no go choose them for example. Hey, Abego, this is. Are you saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyhow they bring whether they bring the 30 over 7 or they bring the 4 over 7 or they bring it in number line or they bring it in this formation, what they call it, absolute value formation. Let's pick anyone, you're correct. This is 5 o'clock. Thank you so much, everybody. Go and rest. We'll meet again by 9, but 9, it will be 9 to 12. It's not going to be from the 11. So I'm going to put time out to that. And then we're going to start from, because we are done with this. I think these are the major things. The other ones are just one formulas and then we're done. Quadratic equation. You know that quadratic equation. There are 4 different ways of solving quadratic equation. Let me just give us that. Then we go. Abby? Any point?
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
Quadratic equation. After quadratic equation, we have which other one there? Logarithmic exponential equation. After that one, which one? Sequence and series. After that one, which one? Arithmetic and geometric progression. We are not doing circles and circular. We are not doing trigonometric ratios. Did they give us?
Nobody know that one now.
They gave us complex numbers.
We've done complex before now, just recently. So complex is not difficult.
And week 11. No, it's not difficult. There's matrix there too.
Matrix, we've done matrix too. We've covered matrix.
Gaussian elimination that give us headache.
No, we've done that one too, but thank God it's not even come out in the exam. It will not.
Yes, it will not come out.
Anybody that brings that one does not like you at all.
Even different guys study like when you are doing
how will you know it will not come out?
It will not come out, man. It will take longer time to
You know why many people fail library? Why many people failed library? Because we were, I don't know, the woman was refusing to tell us something she wanted us to do, and it's as if we were not giving her expectation. See, library was trying to tell us that if you can predict what your lecturer wants to say by reading over time. So there's the way you study to the extent that this kind of thing, it will never even bring it. And I bet you, if you see elimination method there, send me account number, something has to enter your answer. I think we are done. Oh, let's meet by
That's
9.
the
9.
question.
9. We are okay. Sorry. 9. We are going to cover just 2 questions on complex numbers where you see how to solve. Then we are going to do also some. We just do revisions on those trigonometric ratios that we did before. All of you know how to solve all these things. These are simple. Then the other part is
Please, where you are going
It's not good.
tomorrow, take a sheet of paper, pencil, and eraser where you are going tomorrow, so that
They said they
you
will
will not
provide paper.
they say they will provide it. They said
Paper, yes.
if they didn't,
What
so in
of
case they didn't, so there's calculator on the computer already.
Now will
So
take
where
long.
you
Someone can still
That
go
our math tomorrow, Mr. Joy. Almost. Now 5 o'clock we go finish for that center.
Now God go save person.
no